Namaste. We will now look at Sloka number 50 in chapter 2. Buddhi-yukto jahātīha ubhe sukṛta-duṣkṛte tasmād yogāya yujyasva yogaḥ karmasu kauśalam. Buddhi-yuktah jahātīha ubhe sukṛta-duṣkṛte tasmād yogāya yujyasva yogaḥ karmasu kauśalam. Bhagavan in the previous sloka had told that karma done for the fruit of the karma is very inferior, and such people are pitiable, for they will always be in this cycle of birth and death. Let's now see what Bhagavan says in this sloka. Buddhi-yuktah, samatva buddhi-yuktah, one who does a karma without any expectation and who is the same in whether it is a profit or loss, jahāti, leaves, ubhe. He leaves two things. What are those two? Sukṛta-duṣkṛte, what actions that give punyam or actions that yield papam. For in Sanskrit there is a saying, sukṛtani khādati iti sukham, duṣkṛtani khādati iti dukkham. If you are experiencing happiness, it simply means that we have done something good either in this birth or in births previous. Duṣkṛtani khādati iti dukkham. So if you are experiencing sorrow, it simply means that we have done something bad either in this birth or in some previous birth. And it also means khādati means eats. So that punyam or papam, it's getting exhausted. Okay, now another question will come. So Bhagavan is saying that you will leave both punyam and papam. Papam is okay, for nobody wants to experience sorrow. But why should we leave punyam? When we have a lot of punyam, generally we get births in upper worlds, which is called as heaven. But it is not permanent. Let's look at an example. Suppose you check into a hotel and the hotel has a rule that you have to pay upfront for your stay there, and you pay a certain amount. The hotel will allow you to stay for the amount that you have deposited, and the moment that gets exhausted, you will be asked to vacate the room. Similarly, punyam is the money with which you gain the upper worlds. The moment your punyam is exhausted in the form of enjoyment, you will be asked to vacate. Bhagavan will be actually saying, Shine punye martyalokam vishanti. So the moment your punyam is exhausted, you will return to earth. And it's also a gold chain that still binds you. So Bhagavan says that someone who does karma with samatva buddhi, he loses or leaves both punyam and papam. Tasmād yogāya yujyasva. Therefore, be established in yoga, yogaḥ karmasu kauśalam. So this yoga is expertise in actions. Kushalata meaning expertise. So Bhagavan here says that karma yoga is basically expertise in action. Here what Bhagavan means is that karma generally has a tendency to bind someone. Karmana badhyate jantuhu. Which such karma we are actually trying to free from the bondage of karma. Let us look at an example here again. We all know that poison kills a person, but the same poison can also be used as a medicine. In Parani, in Tamil Nadu, there is the Murugan statue or idol which is made up of 9 poisons. The 9 poisons, when combined in some order, becomes a medicine. So, is it not expertise to use the same poison as a medicine? Similarly, here Bhagavan says that if you use the karma to release yourself from bondage, to take us to liberation, then it is kushalata or expertise. We will continue again with the next sloka later. Dhanyavadaha.